NVG Prasanna says, meet me tonight. Kriti Chadda's collection Dolce Vita now hits head ramp. Luxury, self-indulgence. It's a celebration of life. It emphasizes luxury and self-indulgence. It's a rich life, not just a simple one. In all the designs, glass nylon has been used in places for embellishment to create an illusory effect. Opaque stones, sequins, beads and nakshi have also been used to embellish this collection. Rocking the ramp is Dolce Vita by Kriti Chadda. Up in the limelight now is designer Mohammad Shiraz Dohadwala with a collection called Southern Rhythm. It's a collection inspired by Bharatanatyam and its rich and ornate costumes, as also the rhythmic movement of the dancers. Mohammad Shiraz Dohadwala presents Southern Rhythm. Well, ladies and gentlemen, with that we come to the halfway stage where we complete one category, that is party and club wear. And our next category, of course, is casual wear.
Yes, but did you see the clothes? I mean, they were awesome,
Absolutely.
weren't they?
Nisha,
Virgin minds,
fabulous
awesome.
cuts, fabulous fabrics, great colors, great styling. Nisha, I noticed that you were eyeing quite a few of those clothes. You're stocking up for your Christmas and New Year season?
I'm telling you, I'm going to pick the designers right now because I know a few years from now they're going to be damn expensive.
Okay, guys, I'm sure you're ready for more action that hots up the ramp right now. Okay, our first designer in this category, streetwear and casual wear, is designer Manish Bhasin. His theme, Denim Goes Royal. From drab to glam, a collection that fuses rough denim with royalty. Manish Bhasin with Denim Goes Royal.
Sorry, it's Manish Bhasin.
Rocking on the ramp right now is designer Rhythm Agarwal. Her collection, My Life, My Rules. It's punked. No laws, no fear, no restrictions.